In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an automatic habit tracker in Notion. Start by opening Notion and heading to the Getting Started page in your workspace. This is a helpful starting point because it gives you quick access to Notion features and the template gallery. Once you are there, look for the Explore option and click it. Explore is where Notion organizes templates and inspiration, so it is the fastest way to find a ready-made habit tracker you can use immediately. Next, go to the search area and type in the word highlight, just as shown in the instructions. This will filter what you see so you can locate the correct template more quickly. After you search, find the template called Habit Tracker 2.0 and click on it. This opens the template page, where you can preview what it includes before adding it to your own workspace. Now click Add. This is the step that actually installs the template into your Notion account so you can edit it. When Notion asks where to place it, choose New Team Space. This is useful if you want the tracker separated from your other pages, or if you plan to share it with others in the same workspace later. After selecting the New Team Space option, you will see a couple of places to click that are labeled Highlight in the original directions. Follow those clicks to confirm the location and complete the setup flow. Then click Habit Tracker 2.0 again to open the newly added page inside your workspace. If you see the template name in your sidebar, clicking it there is often the quickest way to return to it in the future. Once the Habit Tracker 2.0 page is open, take a moment to explore the different views included. Click Week Overview to see your habits laid out across the current week, which is great for daily check-ins. Then click Habit List to view and manage the habits themselves, which is where you can keep everything organized. Next, click Full Month Overview for a calendar-style view that helps you spot patterns over time. After that, click Monthly Performance Overview to review progress at a higher level. Finally, click Streak Milestones to see streak tracking, which helps you stay consistent by showing long runs of completed habits. And that is all there is to it.